Hey, it's Trudy with Oak and Stone Real Estate out at my inspection. We have Diamond Home Inspectors out here today. They did my personal condo. So when it comes to inspections, you can have anybody that you want. I do have resources, but it's really up to you for that, and also with the lenders. So with the inspections, you're going to have a million things that come up, whether it's a new build or a re-owned house, whatever the age is. And so what you really want to do is look at what is the furnace, how is the furnace, the AC, the windows, what else, like the main bones of the house. So those are the things you really want to look at, not cosmetic, not okay, it needs to be painted. So those are the things that you want to look at. And I want to inform you along the way, just some little snippets of the inspection, what to expect. And I'm Trudy with Truly Perfect Homes.